What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install apps on your Chromebook. If you're using a Chromebook that's managed by your school or workplace, chances are that the Google Play Store might be restricted or completely blocked by your organization. You can bypass this restriction by using an Android emulator like BlueStacks, which allows you to run Android apps on your Chromebook without relying on a system's built-in Play Store. Click on the first link in the description to access this page. From here, download the BlueStacks 5 setup installer for your system. This should take a second to complete, and you can follow the install wizard to install the application to your system. After the installation is complete, BlueStacks should open up automatically. Next, open the Play Store and you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're logged into the Play Store inside BlueStacks, search for any app you want to download. On the app's profile page, scroll down until you see the option to choose your platform. This might be listed as phone, Chromebook or tablet. Make sure it's set to Chromebook. Then, go ahead and tap the download button. After the app installs, you'll be able to run it directly from BlueStacks, and it will work just like it would on a regular Chromebook, but without the usual restrictions that might be set by your organization. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.